In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Xbox One games without a disc. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you lost access to a disc that you use to play a specific game, then there are a lot of things that you can do to still access that game. In general, if you don't have a disc for a specific game anymore and you don't have a digital copy, then sadly you will not be able to play it anymore. You will have to choose one of the options that I showcase in this video to gain yourself access to the game once more. Let's say, for example, you had a disc for Call of Duty Black Ops 3. If you lost that disc, then you won't be able to play the game anymore. You don't have access to a license, so what you have to do is purchase the game. You can purchase a new disc, obviously, or you can open the Microsoft Store directly on your console, look for the specific game, and then purchase it. Once you purchase a license to the game, you will be able to play it once more on your console. And you can do this with any game that is available on the Microsoft Store. You simply look for the title of the game and you choose the option to purchase. This is because even after you install a disc-based game on your Xbox storage, the disc is still required to act as a license key. The console needs to read the disc to verify that you own the game and that you are authorized to play it. This is an anti-piracy measure, so if you lose the disc, you can't access the game anymore, so you need to purchase a digital license. You also have other options to play games. You could get a Game Pass subscription. This will allow you to access many different games, but it is a subscription, so it isn't something that you just purchase once and then you have it forever. You will need to subscribe and pay a fee every month, but as long as you have the subscription active, you can play any game available on the catalog, and you can even play on PC or console. The last option that I would recommend to play games is going to be Xbox Cloud Gaming. This requires a strong internet connection and it also relies on a Game Pass subscription, but this is essentially the same thing. You can stream games over, and you don't need to own a copy to that game directly. As long as you have the Game Pass subscription active, you can still play the game. So choose between one of these methods. Like I said before, because the disc holds the license for the game, it is going to be an anti-piracy measure, and if you don't have the disc, you cannot play the game. So you either have to purchase a new disc, a new digital license, or choose one of the options that I showcased, like Game Pass or Cloud Gaming. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.